Hello students, I am Dr. Naresh Chandanani from Jaipur Engineering College, Jaipur. Today we are going to study about linear partial differential equations of first order Lagrange's equation. A partial differential equation in which only the first order partial derivatives P and Q. We know that P is del Z upon del X and Q is del Z upon del Y. So a partial differential equation in which these first order derivatives are present is known as a partial differential equation of first order. It will be linear if P and Q are present in the first degree only, means the powers of P or Q are 1 and only 1. The Lagrange's linear partial differential equation of first order is capital P into P plus capital Q into Q equal to R. Here capital P, Q and R are the functions of x, y, z. So the equation PP plus QQ equal to R is a special type of linear partial differential equation of first order. This is known as Lagrange's equation. Now we discuss the Lagrange's method of solving the equation PP plus QQ equal to R. First of all, we can see that there are Lagrange's auxiliary equation given as dx upon p equal to dy upon q equal to dz upon r. First of all, we will solve this equation by taking any two ratios at a time. The general solution of linear partial differential equation pp plus qq equal to r is given by function of u comma v equal to 0, where phi is an arbitrary function and u x y z equal to a, means u is a function of x y z, a is a constant, and v is a function of x y z equal to b. First of all, by using the Lagrange's auxiliary equation, we will find out two functions u and v, and then another function phi of u comma v equal to 0 will be the required solution, the required general solution of Lagrange's equation. We can understand this by some simple examples. So now we are taking some examples. Example 1, solve y plus z into p plus z plus x into q equal to x plus y. Here the auxiliary equation is dx upon y plus z equal to dy upon z plus x equal to dz upon x plus y. We can get dx plus dy plus dz upon 2 into x plus y plus z by adding all these three. This is further equal to dx minus dy upon minus x minus y, that is equal to dy minus dz upon minus y minus z. Taking first two members or first two ratios, we can get dx plus dy plus dz upon x plus y plus z plus 2 times dx minus dy upon x minus y equal to 0. On integrating, we get log of x plus y plus z plus 2 log x minus y equal to log a. Here a is a constant, that is x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square equal to a. Again we take the last two members and we get dx minus dy upon x minus y equal to dy minus dz upon y minus z. Integrating, we get log x minus y equal to log y minus z plus log b, where b is constant, which on simplification gives x minus y upon y minus z equal to b. Hence the general integral will be f of x minus y upon y minus z comma x minus y square into x plus y plus z equal to 0. Next example is p plus 3q equal to 5z plus 10y minus 3x. Lagrange's auxiliary equation is dx upon 1 equal to dy upon 3 equal to dz upon 5z plus 10y minus 3x. Taking first two ratios, we get dy minus 3 dx equal to 0, which on integration gives y minus 3x equal to a, where a is constant. And taking first and last ratios, we get dx equal to dz upon 5z plus 10a. Here you can notice that in place of y minus 3x we have written a. So we get dx equal to dz upon 5z plus 10a. And we get 5x equal to log 5z plus 10a plus b, which is again 5x minus log 5z plus 10y minus 3x equal to b. So the general solution will be f of a comma b equal to 0, where a and b are given by the above equations. Next example is x square y minus z p plus y square z minus x q equal to z square x minus p. The auxiliary equations are dx upon x square into y minus z equal to dy upon z minus x into y square equal to dz upon z square into x minus y. Here we use 1 upon x square, 1 upon y square and 1 upon z square respectively as Lagrange multipliers. Means we multiply the first ratio with 1 upon x square, second with 1 upon y square and third by 1 upon z square in numerator and denominator both. And then we will get that each fraction is equal to dx upon x square plus dy upon y square plus dz upon z square whole divided by y minus z plus z minus x plus x minus y, which is again equal to dx upon x square plus dy upon y square plus dz upon z square divided by 0. So we have dx upon x square plus dy upon y square plus dz upon z square equal to 0, which on integration gives 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z equal to a. Similarly, we can use 1 upon x, 1 upon y and 1 upon z respectively as multipliers, and we can have dx upon x plus dy upon y plus dz upon z equal to 0. This on integrating gives log x plus log y plus log z equal to log b, or we can write x y z equal to b. Hence the general solution is f of a b equal to 0. One more example, you can study it yourselves and understand. Here is the last example. So we can solve these examples using Lagrange multipliers and we can have their solutions easily. Here are some practice problems. You can solve them. If you feel any difficulty in this lecture, you can contact me on my email, which is given on the first page. Thank you, students. Have a good day.